Morning.
Got the Tennessee Bozarth brothers.
Damn right. Watch out.
Mm-hmm.
Got his way, man. That's a 5/0. Oh yeah, he was on the back, dude. He was. And then the thing was pulling, and he was just kind of letting it sit there. So Kelly just cranked that winch, baby. Had the nails and cranked it. That's when you need the GoPro, right?
Or the camera boat.
Yeah.
I think this works out better.
No. Poor Shell. Who's that, Shell? Who's that? Uncle Curti, Isaac? Another man? Might have to run a little further that way. A little further.
Let me see one of your whale dicks.
Haven't touched it yet.
Dude, we had a pair of chicken fried steaks with, they got these, they're called those potatoes.
That's actually a small one, but
Yeah, that don't look like a whale dick, dude. I thought, yeah.
Fosto's makes the true whale cock. Yeah, Fosto's you gotta eat like half of it and then take a break. Well, what do you think? Run a little further down? What do you think, Isaac? Man, what you got, man? That's what I'm talking about. All
Yeah,
right.
that place makes their own banana nut bread too. Instead of sourdough, you get banana nut bread.
Oh. He goes, oh no, man. I saw you guys last week. See where he's sitting? Yeah. Put that worm right on top of where he's at. Holy shit. Evan had an issue with setting the hook. I think Kelly's got it down. Face, drop it right on top of his head. Yeah, Isaac's like, come on, man, come on, give me a shot, give me a shot, dude. I can't believe he didn't snap you.
It's a good one.
Oh, yeah. Hang on, man, let's get a picture of that. Damn, look at that little slab. Come on, Smalley!
Wow.
I'll be alright, man. I'll be alright.
I don't think he brought his meds today. What the hell is going on? What was that? He's taking the wrong meds.
Yeah, I think I took I took the dog's meds. Hey Kelly, will you grab my
Yeah, let me crank the motor. I'll get it.
Kelly's like, all right, man, I don't want to fish anymore.
Whoa. Whoa.
What happened? What are you guys talking about? I just blacked out. What happened?
Maybe that's the spot.
Throw the jig in there.
I'll get an old rod and reel that I'm not going to use. Somebody go, man, fuck the dead fishes. Let's fish for that rod and reel. I had it sitting on the deck yesterday. I don't know what the hell you're doing.
All right. Here we go.
Ready?
Yep. Woo!
All right, man. Cool.
That's crazy how much water I think.
Oh, sorry. You got 7 more toes.
Y'all ready to take off?
Hang on, Isaac. Dude.
Well, looking back, would you have done it again?
Yeah, it looks refreshing.
Yeah, we'll try.
Look, yeah. Clear.